If you don't have access to one of these things, the tricep pull down, lat machine, any of those type of gym equipment, there's so many different ways you can do your triceps. Let me show you how. So everybody's got a chair, everybody's got some kind of stool or bench or whatever it is, and I'm at a gym right now, but I've got these little stools. So these are quite simple. Most people, you're sitting on a chair, legs out in front of you, tighten your stomach, and down you go. These are small forms of dips. They're gonna work your triceps, your shoulders, even your chest. It's amazing. So that's one of them. Now, just what everybody's gonna have a table. This is real straightforward. This is a form of head bangers. So hands on the edge of the table, and then you just lower yourself down. Now, you can use a countertop, you can use a branch, a park bench, it doesn't matter. These things will really fry your triceps, guaranteed. Now, if you're in a gym and you have been doing those exercises and you've progressively gotten stronger and stronger and you need more challenge, the progression for triceps would be doing something like a dip, okay? Now, I can show you later where you can do those between two benches, two chairs, things like that. But if you're here, let me just show you why. Now these, those really work your triceps. Those really work your shoulders because you're lifting your whole body weight. Now, the next progression on top of that, you put weight on. You can put a weighted vest. You can put weight around you. Let me show you how, actually. All right, so if you're gonna put some weight and more resistance to this whole thing, it's really great. This is an easy way most people can do. And down. And that's it. So there's so many different ways you can build these triceps of yours. There's options in a gym, outside of a gym, at a park, at home. No excuses. You can do anything you want as long as you put your mind to it. So if you're a man over 40 and you want to build your strength again, you want your energy back, you want your vitality back, head on over to Bro Pro Thrive. I'm going to show you exactly how to get it back. See you there.